inaction and reassuring crowds for leaders and police. 7th January 2022. Recently, a so-called Dharma Sangsad of Haridwar has openly challenged the constitutional rights to religious freedom and the rule of law. Those present in this parliament were administered an oath to fight, die and kill to make India a Hindu Rashtra. Every Hindu was also called upon to take up arms to eliminate the population of non-Hindus. It's been 10 to 15 days since this incident. Unfortunately, the police of the country replaces the UAPA or the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 for very frivolous cases. In this country, the leaders are arrested on the post made in the criticism of the government, but there is neither a reaction nor an arrest to such a derogatory statement. There should be a reaction from the government and the public that it is a democratic, secular country. The leaders here represent the majority. Thus, the things is that this incident should be seen as linked to dozens of disturbing events in the country, and a sharp reaction should be made to it. The recent disruption of Friday prayers in Gurgaon, disrupting Christmas festivals from Assam to Karnataka, closing down of a Muslim shop with the word Shai, etc. There is reluctance. As a result of all this, the mob involved in such activities begins to understand that it can be completely safe from illegal acts committed under the guise of religion. The country's leaders can be expected to understand the seriousness of their inaction on such matters, also understand how small communal incidents can pay huge price. This should be dealt with in time. Based on the editorial published in the Times of India, December 28, 2021.